Welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, and today I'm very excited to be attempting to make hooks, but they're going to have some little like doggy paw prints on them. So right now I have heated up a nice bar of 1/4 inch by 1 in the forge. I have a 1/2 inch ball tool and this roughly 1/4 balled over tool that I'm going to be using this as the main kind of set down, and then the 4 paws around it. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to round over the edges real quick at the tip, just so I can try and get somewhat of a ball shape is what I'm trying to go for. And I want to hammer in on the steel to try and move it, just so that way I don't create like a little fish mouth at all at the tip. See if I can just set in just a little bit roughly as to where I want the paw. I'm really liking how that was just working. I was just trying to put the ball on the side, try and push 2 little spots out to try and make the you know, kind of dog paw shape, kind of triangle circular stuff, and it was actually working pretty well. So I'm just going to heat it up again and see if I can push more of it out to get more of a defined shape. So you can see I put in the 3 kind of tripod of a paw, and then I have dentations of where I'm gonna put in deeper dimples for the actual like fingers. Alrighty, let's work on some little toesy woesies. Alright, that turned out really well. I'm very happy with that. Alright, so I'm setting the hole right beneath the paw print here, enough that I won't distort. Just eyeballing while flipping it around. And I'm just going to pull it up onto this punch plate I made in my last video. Make sure to go check that out if you haven't seen it. Popped it out. I'm going to heat it up again just to flatten it, and then I'll bring it over to the power hammer to start forging out the actual hook part that'll be curling back up. tip off. Go! Alright, let's take the fork off. Yes. Before air. A before O, or up you go. So while metal's hot, all the pores on the surface is all open, so it makes it very easy for me to just rub on beeswax, and the beeswax will actually go in to those pores, and as it cools down, it seals into the metal. I also find it really interesting because beeswax is what blacksmiths used to use from way back in the day. A lot of times they would just use beeswax because that's what was naturally found in like areas and stuff like that, whereas a very simple way to seal it, and like I said, this is just raw natural beeswax that you just heat up the steel just a tiny bit, and then you can rub it on and you're good to go. Another thing that I haven't filmed anything for today, but while I was working on these, I also had, as some of you know, I've been making, or trying to make, 20 rounding hammers, but today I got through 2 hammers and I actually cleaned some of them up, like forged them square, tweaked everything, and those 2 hammers are ready to go. So without further ado, alright, so the hooks are all cooled down now, and they are looking amazing. Let me tell you about a little bit the reason why I decided to make these dog paw little hooks. So my sister is like big dog lover, like absolutely loves them. She has 2 beautiful German Shepherds, and she asked me a few weeks ago to make her a pair of, you know, dog hooks, just something she can hang up her leashes on, out of the way, but you know, something integral. So she asked me to make a pair of hooks for her with these pair of dog paws, and like these just look amazing. Like even like especially with the beeswax gives it a very nice black finish, but you can see like it has a great shape to it, nice flat back, the hook's pulled away from the wall. There's plenty of space for, you know, a leash or like a nice big rope or something like that. Like pretty much whatever you want to put on it, you can. It's just one simple screw into the wall right there, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little dog paw build. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below, hitting that red button with the bell notification for future uploads. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment what you thought. I'd love to hear what you thought of this little build. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.